Yo, what's going on YouTube? It is your boy Ron Trades, and we're here back with another trading breakdown video. Today's video, guys, I'm going to be going over GU, a trade setup that I took this week on April 12th. And before this video starts, guys, if you guys hear any screaming, any barking, that is my niece, and I do have a dog that barks a lot. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. You guys can see here GU had a nice 1.6% gain off this setup. Very quick setup. I think it was maybe like 1 to 2 minutes, and we already had booked TP. So what you guys can see here, GBP/USD risk. I think I risked maybe like 2% on this setup, 1% for setup, something like that. And, you know, we actually came out with a nice winning trade. So let's go ahead and go right to the charts here, and I'm just going to show you guys what I seen and what I was looking for. So right here on April 12th, we had USD news at 8:30 a.m. We had economic calendar release. I think it was like CPI news for the US dollar. So I was basically coming in, once I seen we had that news, I already was kind of, you know, bearish on the DXY, so that means I'm obviously bullish on GU. So let's go ahead and I'm actually on my replay tool. I don't usually like using the replay tool just because, you know, got some hindsight people, as ICT say. But for this instance, you guys already seen that I was in this trade. I literally just showed you on my live funded trading account. So right here, let's drop down to the 5 minute time frame. So it was a nice order block here. I'm just gonna go over this setup and show you guys exactly what I was seeing. So right here around 8:25, like I say, at 8:30, remember we have high impact news at 8:30, so I'm already trying to get my entry before 8:30. So you guys can see this low here. I was really waiting for this low here to be taken out and price to run right down inside of what, if you guys watch ICT videos, you guys should already know what this is here. Let me just get it right here. What is this? Order block. Why is the order block? I'm bullish. Price has left a zone, leaving literally 3 imbalances. If you want to get technical, we have 3 imbalances right here that needs to be filled. It has a low, a suspect low here right before the economic release. Price runs this low, and what does it run into? Last down closed candle. I take an entry right here off the rip. Like as soon as price touches this line, I'm in, no ifs, ands, or buts. Have my stop loss right below here. Price should not come, you know, below here if the order block is valid. I buy here, price explodes up to run buy side liquidity, which was we have people that were short here, so you have sellers right here in the market. They have to have, you know, a buy stop. I mean, sell stop up here. I mean, a buy. I'm sorry, guys. Have a buy stop up here to protect their short positions. So by knowing that, I'm like, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and target here. You know, what's the odds of price? If I'm already bullish, what's the odds of price going all the way down? I might as well go ahead and ride this thing up to attack buy side liquidity, which is resting here. So you guys can see the moment the 8:30 candle opened up, we didn't go in no drawdown at all. Price literally shot up right to it. Went a couple pips above it. I didn't capture all that. I had my TP set right here at, let's see which, right here 1.30348 was my TP. That's all I was looking for. I didn't care if price went up to 1,000,000. I didn't care. I was looking to target right here and get out my setup. So this was a nice GU setup, guys, that I wanted to share with you guys here. Very nice execution. Order block entry. Took out the low right here. Very suspect low. Ran that low here. Ran into the order block. We get a nice reaction here to target buy side liquidity. So it's going to end this video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy and learn something from this quick breakdown video. Definitely was one of my favorite trades of the week, and probably one of the best trades I've ever took when it just comes to precision and execution wise. So definitely proud of that. Hope you guys have an amazing trading week and trade safe next week. See you.